Hello again, folks. Welcome to week two. This week we are focusing on chapter 6 and chapters 9. And chapter 6 is discussing management, and chapter 9 is talking about HR, or attracting and retaining the best employees. And so, again, this week you've got 2 quizzes associated with those chapters. I've uploaded some short lecture videos, again, just to give you the main points of the chapters. And there's going to be your PowerPoints in there that will help you to cover some of the information. So read those 2 chapters, look at the PowerPoints, watch the video, and then take the quizzes. Okay. We'll also have another class discussion. This week it's going to get a little bit bigger, because within that class discussion, we're now going to talk about the case study, the Chipotle case study. And so within that, we're going to have 3 short videos. Again, one from John Mackey, former CEO of Whole Foods. We're going to have a couple of videos that he discusses leadership, and he also discusses conscious capitalism. As well, there's a short Apple recruiting video that I want you to watch. And then you're going to make your post. And then you're also going to read through the Chipotle case study, and you're going to discuss HR. You're going to pick out all of the HR functions, how do they hire, develop, and retain their employees. And there's some specific sections within that case study that you're going to see that played out, and that information. So make sure you're giving specific examples from the case. You're then going to compare and contrast Chipotle, Patagonia, because you're also going to read Patagonia's hiring or HR philosophy. That's the other thing you're going to want to read, as well as their management philosophy. And then you're going to watch that video, and you're going to compare the 3. Okay, you're going to compare Apple, Patagonia, and Chipotle. So make sure you go through, again, do the 2 quizzes, chapter 6 and chapter 9, and it'll discuss in there about hiring, retaining, and developing employees. Do the class discussion, and then make sure you also read the Chipotle case. So there's a little more work to be done here this week, but again, it's not too much. The other thing, now we've talked about the industry, you've chosen your industry, you've put together all of the information within this industry, and next you're going to talk about the 3 companies that you're going to focus on those industries. So for example, if you're doing retail, you're going to do, Nordstrom's, Nike, and Patagonia. If you're talking about aerospace, you're going to do UTC, Boeing, General Atomics. And so what you're going to do is you're going to give me all the information about those 3 companies. Okay. And you're going to basically highlight that in a Word document. Just give me what information you have. We're going to put them into the PowerPoint later, but that's going to be the portion of the team project or the class project that's going to be due this week. Also, I would start to think about working on your LinkedIn profile this week. This is a good week to start. Your LinkedIn profile is not due until week 6, and so. But make sure you look at this LinkedIn profile. It's really important that you get started on that soon, because you've got some stuff you got to do with that there. And that's more of a practical thing that we need to get you going on. So the LinkedIn profile is really important. So that is week 2. Again, get started on that as soon as you can. And if you have any questions, you can shoot me an email. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.